No, it's not hot. Oh, slowly. Asa ka? Mary, where are you? Call ate dong. Ninya. Look how good. Hi. You want chicken nuggets? What's inside your box? What's inside? A toy! What toy is it? Ikaw ganahan? Mahug ka din, ha? Sit down, sit down. Sit down. Mary, come here. Ayaw kang ate na. You wanna try it? Yeah. What's your name? Joseph na? Oh. Celebrate siya. Okay, man na ang school ni Mommy. Init there? Oh, isa. No way. Asa ka? Call ate de. Na dinner is here. No. Putol na niya tagbuhok, ha? What are you eating?
French fries.
French fries? Nino, what are you eating? What are you eating? Hi, Mary.
Hi.
You feel better now? Not yet? Ayun na. Mommy is already on holiday. I'm done with my assignments. Mary,
Yeah?
I'm done with all my projects.
Oh.
Mommy is free to play now. Ayun na. Huh? Okay? You said you wanna play with me. Nino, you're upping. Mahug ka diha. Give na lang mommy nuggets, babe. You don't wanna eat it. Huh? Love you, ate.
You, mommy.
Do you feel better? Nino. Hi. Di mag-play, ha? Thumbs up if you like it. Inay. Love you. Love you, Josa. Mahug ka diha, ha? Love you, Mary.
Love you, mommy.